In Slack Huddles, screen sharing makes collaboration easy and interactive. First, open Slack and log in with your email, Google or Apple account. You can use the desktop app or your browser. Both work fine. Next, start a huddle by clicking Huddle in the sidebar, then New Huddle. Select the person or channel you want to include and click Start Huddle. A small pop-up will appear near your name at the bottom left. This is your huddle control area. To share your screen, click the Maximize Screen option in the pop-up, then the three-dot ellipsis icon. Select Share Your Screen and choose whether to share a specific tab, a window, or your entire screen. Click Share to start showing your screen to all participants. And that's it. You can now collaborate in real time, review documents, or present ideas efficiently using Slack Huddles.